Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to b over 2 minus t. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have number 1, so we have negative dt. Next we need to change the bounds. When s equals to b over 6, so I will put b over 6 go in here to find the value of t. So t equals to b over 3. When s equals to b over 3, that is from here. So t equals to b over 6. So s we change by this one. Ds we change by negative dt. B over 3 we change by b over 6, and b over 6 we change by b over 3. Next we have the formula in here. This one equals to cosine t, and this one equals to sine t. So this one we change by cosine t. This one we change by cosine t. This one we change by sine t. Next we have the negative side. Now we can swap the top and the bottom together. So this one we have b over 6. This one we have b over 3. And now this one we can change back by s. And we know that this one we can put equals to capital I. This one we can put into capital I because both of them they are the same. Now we have I plus I equals to this one plus this one. Now we combine two integrals. So this one we have number 1, so we can put like this. The integration of ds we have s, and I will put the bounds from b over 6 to b over 3. And now we have the final answer. And this one we have b over 6. So we know that I plus I we have 2i. And now We divide both sides by number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.